World News Headlines, Friday, August 21, 2026. Globe showing Europe-Africa. Here are the big stories making rounds today. Geopolitics and conflict. Iran vows devastating response to U.S. threat of toughest sanctions in history, targeting Iran's economic lifelines. Shipping through Strait of Hormuz stayed sharply disrupted with only 7 commodity vessels transiting Thursday. Russia arrests 9 for alleged planned attacks and espionage on behalf of Ukraine, including 8 people with 35 drones equipped with explosives. Russia says it's ready for new Ukraine peace ideas with conditions and that proposals should reflect realities on the ground. Taiwan shadows Chinese research ship Tongji in waters west of Penghu Islands for the 3rd time since May. Trump wants a new meeting with Kim Jong-un. North Korea says not so fast. 7F9F9925F70011323440E2. Asia. Bangladesh elects new president, BNP leader Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir named 23rd president, first contested poll since 1991. Oath-taking set for Friday. Pakistan ex-PM Imran Khan back in jail after shorter-than-expected hospital visit. China tax crackdown forces wealthy investors to assess offshore trusts. China and Indonesia agree to boost military ties, work closer on minerals, energy, and tech. Hong Kong court convicts Tiananmen Vigil group leaders of inciting subversion. 1 CB 6 DBA 8685985-31 Fay 50. Markets and economy. Global stocks set for biggest weekly fall since mid-July as bond yields and oil stay high. Dow dropped ~operator 700 points Thursday on Trump's economic D-Day threat. Oil up, Brent near $93.64 after sanctions talk, up greater than 5% for the week. Gold at ~operator $4,560/Oz, near 3-month high. Bitcoin up 6% to $76,446, on track for 20% weekly gain. Dollar under pressure with biggest weekly loss since January versus Swiss franc. 44.30 C9F9. Health and environment. Ebola spreading exponentially in Congo as death toll tops 2,500, UN says. Countries far short of land restoration pledges, only 124.3 million hectares restored versus 1.2 billion hectare target by 2030. 80623 AFA. Other. Nigeria families protest over children abducted nearly 100 days ago. Prince Harry to learn cost of failed Daily Mail lawsuit. India, PM Modi tells government secretaries to engage more with youth. SC forms panel to probe police action at Jantar Mantar student protest. 68481A111 CB6. Want me to dive deeper into any region, like Pakistan, US, Iran, markets, or sports?